Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix update not installing error code KB5041587 in Windows 11. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go services. Then search here Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update. Right click on this. Click on Properties. Then select Automatic on Startup Type. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Go to the Command Prompt. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to apply. Then type here reagentc/info, then hit enter. Then type one more command reagentc/enable, then hit enter. Then type one more command sfc/scan now, then hit enter. It will take some time, so wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Then go to the File Explorer, open C drive, open Windows, then search here Software Distribution. You can see here Software Distribution, open this option, then open Downloads. In this, select all files and folder, then delete it. Then once you restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. That's it guys. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.